Hello again, everybody. Let's take a look at the very best way to start your Amazon venture, and that is by starting small and then scaling up. What do I mean by starting small? I mean starting off with one product and a small quantity or a smallish quantity of that product. This is what I recommend regardless of your budget. So even if you have a large budget or a largish budget, I still recommend that you do it this way. I don't want you to make the mistakes that I made when I first started out as an Amazon seller. Looking back, I should have done it this way. I didn't. It was a big mistake, and I don't want you to go down the same route. So here's why starting small is the best way to go. First of all, it allows you to get experience. In this course, you're going to learn everything you need to know. But when you actually do it, that's when you get the experience. Learning the course doesn't give you the actual experience. You don't get that until you do it. And secondly, it's about decisions. The decision you make initially with your very first product that you list for sale on Amazon, you may change your mind. That might not be the product that you want to scale up with, or even the category you want to scale up in. So you're going to be much more able to make those decisions once you have started selling and you have some experience on the Amazon platform as a seller. And thirdly, it just makes sense financially not to take risks. So that is why starting small, regardless of your financial situation. Now that is just my recommendation. You don't have to follow my recommendation, but it's based on my own experience, and not just my experience, but I have been in contact and come across many sellers over the years. And based on all of that, I recommend that as a brand new seller, you start small. So because of that, this course does focus on getting you started as an Amazon seller on a small budget. But at the same time, the course does show you how to scale up and scale out so that you can ultimately hit your goals and targets and get to where you actually want to be and live the kind of lifestyle you want to live. Okay, I'll see you in a minute.